Happy 2026 to everyone. May God brings all the goods, all the positive energy into your lives in this new year. And yeah, I'm back on YouTube after so many months. I think my last time, I don't remember when I posted my last vlog on my YouTube channel. Uh, yeah, I promise that I will stay consistent. This, that I didn't stay consistent. I didn't post anything on YouTube after a while. First months, था मैं कुछ consistent रही भी am. But after that, there were so many work to do, and I can't do multitasking. That's the only problem. So yeah, so this video is all about my 2 Unit 5 and all the talkings. And if you're interested to watch, please keep watching. And if you're not, you may leave. By the way, I wore a new suit today, got ready, shooted some content for my Instagram. And yeah, this video is not about promising anything that I promise that I will be consistent, be this, be that. No. But a video about my 2025 because it's been a roller coaster ride for me in my 2025. And I don't know, May 2025 has been a very great year to you. But मैं जिन्ना तो भी सुनया ना उन्होंने सबने मैंने यही कहा कि 2025 was not great enough, this and that. And I guess that 2025 was not much great to me, and I was also not great very much to myself, to be very honest. But in 2026, I'm, being very much meaner. By meaner, I don't mean that bitchy wala meaner. By meaner is that I will fill my cup first and then I fill yours. This is what I need. Like, I want to really take care of me mentally, emotionally, physically, every aspect. And I think it's not the thing ki new year, so new resolutions and new mindset and everything. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹੀ ਹੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ mindset ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਹੈ. I believe that ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਸਾਲ ਚੜ੍ਹਦਾ ਹੈ and that doesn't mean it changes everything. Right? Your habits still stuck with you. And I guess जो easy things ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨਾ change ਕਰਨ ਦੀਆਂ, ਜੋ like ਬਹੁਤ minor ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ change ਕਰਦੇ, ਆਪਣੇ routines ਵਿੱਚ change ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. And staying consistent with that is the hardest thing one can do. Because मैं 1 जनवरी तो शुरू करूंगी, मैं न्यू ईयर तो शुरू करूंगी, मेरे न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस है. It is all motivation that dies within a day. Because consistency, I think consistency is... So my mama came to me to ask for lunch. Yeah. So the thing is, I was talking about कि motivation is this कि मैं 1 जनवरी तो start करांगी, मेरा न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन ये है, मेरा न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन वो है, and all that stuff. And you can't keep it up because there is a lack of discipline. And I so wanted to be disciplined because there's a lack of discipline in me too. Like, क्योंकि boring चीज़ां consistently करना किसी नू भी पसंद नहीं है. But I so wanted to be disciplined of myself, my looks, my everything. And I do care of myself a lot. I'm that kind of person who takes care of myself. The only problem I face wearing suit is I can't handle dupattas. Oh my god. I'm that kind of person that, yeah, take care of myself enough, but I want to, self-love. I want to start self-love, not self-hate. I'm a very positive, extrovert person. I want my environment to be positive as well, right? So I'm working on, like, these few things, and also on consistency, on discipline, on things that will, pay me back in future, not on the things that will drain the energy from me. And I so wanted to stop my people pleasing habit. Like, I'm an extrovert person, I'm a positive person. And I always think, yaar, inu bura na lag jaye, inu bura na lag jaye, and I have to stop this thing. And saying more no's than yes, जो मैं 2025 which जमा नहीं किया. To be very honest, it is what it is, right? And everyone learns from their mistake. Move on from your mistakes. आई थिंक जो इंसान अपनियां उसी गलतियां ते रहंदे ने एंड जो उसी चीज ਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, आई गेस here's the result ਨਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲਾਈਫਸਟਾਈਲ ਇਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ, because you always keep chanting, you always keep repeating negative things to yourself, and जब एक बार मुंह तो निकल गई ना वो negative चीज, and it's, there are highly chances that it will happen again. And I have learned this thing. Also, I'm very, very, very grateful to those people who, supported me throughout my year, who has been there in my hard days. And also very, very, very much grateful to my parents. They have provided me everything, the happiness, the things that I wanted, the support. They do support me a lot, right? And I'm very, very, very much grateful to them. And also, I want to mention one good thing that happened to me in 2025 is I got my first ever pet, a cat. Her name is Zoe. My Instagram family and my friends know her बहुत अच्छे से, because I keep posting her and I, keep posting stories about her, and she's just a cutest creature in my life. मैं तुम्हें दसा, whenever I feel very low or whenever I feel my energy is drained out somewhere, और मैं बहुत थकी हुई आनी है कम तो या कॉलेज तो या from anywhere, I want a hug from her, from Zoe, right? And I hug her और वो फिर चले जाती है. और चले जाती है सच. She's just a tiny creature, right? And she's a cat. I love cats. I love cats. I have a, huge spot in my heart for cats. I love every animal though. Not dangerous one, the cutest one. I love every animal, but I have that different love for cats, and I love cats. And this is the only good thing that happened to me in 2025. I'm very, very, very much grateful that Zoe came into my life. You also start doing the same, because it's 2026, guys. Be mature enough, love everyone, love your surroundings, love nature, and most importantly, love yourself. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. The way you treat yourself, the way you will be there for yourself, no one else will be. And this is the biggest thing I learned in 2025. जिस हिसाब ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਾਥ ਦੋਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਲਈ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ, ਉਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, I guess. Be grateful to your parents, spend time with them, and, stop being on phone every time. Stop being, capture everything, capture every memory, do everything, but stop being on camera, stop being on phone 24/7. I've seen a lot of people being in their phone, watching videos, watching these, doing doom scrolling. Do something nicer, go offline, have a walk, do something. And also, the vision board I created in 2025, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ it came true, but I didn't give my best. I think that's why I can't, do much, क्योंकि मैं अपना best नहीं दे पाई सी. But ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ कुछ चीज़ां, it became, true. And so it's not about like you have to create a vision board to be successful to do this. If you have a vision in your head, if you have a discipline to maintain that vision, you can do anything. You can literally do anything, right? But I'm that girl जिन्नू ये सब चीज़ों करने च बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. It's just my excitement. So I have made a digital, vision board for myself, and I put that wallpaper on my phone. And yeah, it's so interesting. I kept it very simple and um, cute. It's not about cute though. It's about just me watching my goals and reminding myself, yes, Nadi, we have to do it. You have to do it. You have to do it. And lastly, thank you to myself for surviving 2025. And it's been not a great year, but I survived, and I'm so grateful to God. And looking forward to 2026, there are so many new chances, 365 new chances, and we gonna make it in 2026. I hope 2026 brings all the happiness into your life, all the success you're wanting. And that's all for the video. मैंने पता नहीं मैं next video कब पाऊंगी, but yeah, let's meet soon on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.